The show is going to be the biggest dance show that this country has seen, and primarily for two reasons. First and foremost, there has never been a show, not just in the space of dance, but in any other space, where the lead talent of the show personally, individually exemplifies or lives the values that the show wants to promote.
Thank you, Uday, for those kind words. Thank you, Mukti. Thank you, Akshat. And thank you all for being here this evening. I've always believed in the spirit of competition. According to me, competition is the only way you can actually have other people push you to excel in life. Competition is something that nurtures innovation, drives that passion. And Just Dance is a show that takes that concept and that philosophy to a whole new level. Probably to a level that has never been seen before. So I'm very, very proud. Been inclined as such. Lekin when the offer came and I saw the kind of concept they had developed by Star Plus and Soul, specifically for the Indian TV audience, I was amazed. And just like when I read a script in a movie, kuch hota hai that you identify with. I identified with the spirit, the concept, the philosophy, and the fact that something like this has never existed before. So all those reasons, I think, somewhere made me believe that I have to be a part of this. It's a completely unique design. The concept is absolutely unique. I don't think, I have seen all the dance shows which have existed, and I don't think there exists one in this kind of a concept. First of all, I don't think there is any God in dance, especially not me. मेरे हिसाब से dance is an expression. जब पहली बार किसी इंसान ने डांस किया होगा, he must have been either happy or jubilant or overwhelmed or emotionally charged. So for me, dance comes, the roots of dance is that किसी ने पहली बार जब किया होगा, he must have had some kind of an emotion inside that he wanted to express with his body. So dance for me is beyond steps. Dance for me is beyond 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an expression. And that is, I think, what we will be looking for, that edge in this show, where it's beyond just the steps. And it's something that tells you about the dancer, where he's coming from, how many failures he's had, and how badly he needs this success. His story will be on his face and in his movements. And that's what we will look for.